Hello, so look what came in the mail today. I have my 100,000 subscriber YouTube plaque that came in the mail. So of course, every YouTuber has to do an unboxing video. I had requests for it as well. So I'm not very good at unboxing videos, but we are going to unbox it regardless. So thank you everybody for hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate all of you. I've put a lot of hard work into this channel, and it's great that YouTube does have something to reward creators for hitting these awesome milestones. So yeah, let's unbox this and see what it looks like. So just cut the tape here. What is this? I think this is taping here. All right, that should do it. All right, first look. Oh, not quite first look. All right, some felt. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 1,000th, or your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Well, thank you. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write at you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Is it Mohan or Mohan? Guess we'll never know. All right. This is just a little card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. All right. Ooh, shiny. Okay. Presented to Rinsk for passing 100,000 subscribers. It's my play button. All right, it's very shiny, so you got to see my camera woman. All right. Let's see, is the back of this supposed to mount to something, or let's see. This is where it's gonna go. Be able to see it in my videos. Maybe I will find some way to brace it a bit better because it feels like it's gonna fall. But if anyone has experience on standing up the Creator Award, let me know. Let's see what else was in here. We got some free desiccant. Don't eat that. All right. Recognize your team. All right. Well, my team is me, so I recognize me. And Rocky, right there. Rocky, do you also want an award? You can order one. All right. Well, thank you again, everybody, for allowing me to hit 100,000 subscribers. Here's to another several years to come. I don't plan on stopping anytime soon, and maybe one day I'll be unboxing the gold play button. And so yeah, if you are enjoying my content and you haven't subscribed yet, why not consider subscribing and leave a kind comment below.